Friday. I'm Coach Skip, and I have your Burn at Home workout for Friday. And it's a great day. We're going to have a great weekend. So here at Wildfire, we've got a 9 a.m. free open to the public class. Everybody's welcome to join. Doesn't matter if you're just coming off the couch and haven't been doing anything, or if you've been working out regularly. So come have some fun, get a good challenge, and get your fitness started the right way. If you are just getting started, this is a great way to do it. Get these at-home workouts going. Body weight exercises are going to help you feel better, look better, be all around better. And then from there, you can get into the gym or get some personal training or whatever you need to do. We're always here to help. So let's get after it today. We have got a warm-up with 3 rounds of 30 vertical jumps, 10 good mornings, 5 side plank kicks with the right, and then side plank kicks with the left. So starting out, we're going to go 30 vertical jumps. Stay on the toes, spin those hands. This is that jump rope simulation. Just keep it going the entire time. If you want to make it more challenging, do more like a double under, where you're jumping a little bit higher and getting a faster spin with the wrists. If you need to take the impact out, just do a standing march and still rotate those wrists at the sides and just stay on the toes the entire time. After those 30 vertical jumps, you're going to do 10 good mornings. And so stand tall, push that torso down as you stretch out the hamstring. Notice that soft bend in the knees, and then right back up. And as you come up, really squeeze that butt to get something out of it there at the top. And just keep that motion going the entire time. If you need to hold on to something here as you do this and push those hips back, that's okay. The hamstring every single time. Then we've got the side plank kicks. So you're going to start on the right side in that side plank and then just kick that leg up. Just like that. If you need to balance yourself and hold the hand to the ground, that's fine. Work on keeping that hip off the ground. If you need to go down to the knee here and do the same thing, that's totally fine. You can also do this from a bench or a raised platform where you're doing the same thing. And this is just going to decrease the resistance the higher you go here. But what we're really doing is working that thigh and hip area and getting that opened up. So do 5 on the right and then switch and do 5 on the left, however you need to do it. Even if you're more in a higher position and you're kicking that leg out to the side, that's okay. Whatever you need to do, the best range of motion is what you're able to do today. Tomorrow, we'll get a little bit better. So 3 rounds, 30 vertical jumps, 10 good mornings, 5 side plank kicks on the right, and then 5 side plank kicks on the left. For the workout today, we've got a little core grinder. So we're going to be working that core, getting you guys ready for spring and summer and bathing suit season and all that good stuff. So by getting that core worked out, you're going to alleviate pressure from the back, and a lot of those back issues that people are having will go away. So get this core work in and really challenge yourself through these exercises. We're going to do 1 minute at each station. We're going to go through each exercise 3 times. So you'll go through all 5 exercises, take a 1 minute rest, repeat it once more, and then once more for a total of 3 rounds. We're going to start with lemon squeezers. So lemon squeezer, you're going to be flat on your back, arms above your head, and you're going to bring your hands to your heels. Really feel like you're squeezing that lemon here, and then right back out to the hollow position. And just keep that motion going. Really pull your knees into your chest tight. If you need to do this where you're just starting flat and you're bringing your elbows to your knees, if that's what you got as far as the range of motion, that's fine. Again, do the best that you can on these. And you can, of course, always do these on the bench where you're doing the same reach for the heels and bring those knees up to the chest every single time. Just make sure you've got a good balance so you're not flipping over backwards. If you need to hold on and just bring your knees to your chest, that's okay too on these lemon squeezers. Next, we're gonna go to plank balance. So we're gonna do this from the forearms, and you're going to be just going back and forth. And just keep that steady pace. Keep that butt down the entire time. If you need to do this off of the knees, that's okay, same thing. Just really get that good rotation. Or of course, the platform, you can do the same thing. Here, you just might do it from the hands instead of the forearms. After the plank balance, we're gonna go into glute bridge. So on the glute bridge, you are going to have your shoulders on the ground. You're gonna have your heels tucked up under you and your feet flat, and you're just gonna push those hips up into the air, squeeze that butt, and you can either hold or just go up and down for that minute. If you can challenge yourself and really hold for that minute, that would be the version I'd like to see the most. If you need to go up and down, that's fine. You can even bring your feet up a little bit and drive into the ground to really get a more explosive impact on that butt, on those glutes. You can also do this from a sitting position where you're just bringing those hips up every time. So whatever you need to do there for those glute bridges. Then we've got Superman. The Superman is going to be flat on your stomach, and you're going to bring chest and thighs off the ground and then let it go. If you can hold it for as long as possible, rest for a second, and then go right back up. If you need to do more of an up and down here, that's totally fine. And if you need to have your hands below your shoulders, that's okay too. You can also do this from a standing position where you're pushing those hips forward and then letting go. Same motion, same movement, and working the same muscles there. The final exercise we've got is flutter kicks. So keep those kicks small, point the toes, bring that head up, engage that core the entire time. If you need to stabilize the hips, put your hands right underneath your butt, and that'll help stabilize. And of course, last but not least, doing this from the bench. We've got that same flutter kick motion going. So 1 minute at each station, lemon squeezers, plank balance, glute bridge, Superman, and flutter kicks. Then you'll take a 1 minute rest, and you'll repeat that 2 more times for a total of 3 rounds. Don't worry about counting reps in this one. On this one, I just want you to go. Get some good motion in there. Make sure you're really feeling that in the core. Stretch out a little bit in that 1 minute rest period. Grab a sip of water. And then once that time is up, make sure you get ready to go. Just have a watch nearby. As long as you've got a watch with a second hand or a timer, you'll be fine. Just every minute on the minute, change exercises. So have fun with this one. Share this one with a friend. If you've got friends, family that have some lower back issues, they maybe sit long periods of time for their job. Maybe they're still working on getting something going and in shape. This is a really good workout to share with them, because by strengthening that core, it will do wonders for your back. So have fun. I'm Coach Skip signing off, and I will see you again on Monday. We'd love to see you this weekend too. Have a great day.